Welcome to Lkg Nursery Rhyme.
Wake up, the sun is here. Let's get up and sing with cheer. Good morning to everyone. A happy day has just begun. Good morning, let's wave hello. Hi friends, let's dance. Stretch up high. Now hop with me. Yay, good morning. Let's brush our teeth. Yeah, up and down. Brush, bubbly brush. Sparkly smiles every time. Keep brushing, yay! Brushing teeth round and round. Look at the colorful bubbles pop. And sparkly toothpaste magic. This is so much fun. We just brushed our teeth, and now they're so shiny. Look at our smiles. Our teeth sparkle. Brushing is fun. Yeah, now we have shiny teeth. Let's rinse our toothbrushes. Okay, I'll do mine next. All clean. Oh no, our hands are so dirty. Ooh, gross, we need to wash them. To the sink, race you. You're on. Let's scrub them clean. Yeah, all clean now. Ready to wash our hands? Yes, let's go. Tap turns on, water flows, soap pump squeeze. Ready to wash, let's go. Rub, palms with suds, bouncy, hand motions. Rub, palms with suds, bouncy, hand motions. Let's wash our hands. Scrub your thumbs and wrists too. See the germs wash away? All clean. All clean! Yay! Now let's dry. Oh, clap! Yay, clean hands! Yummy apple! My carrot is crunchy. Healthy snacks are the best. Yeah, let's eat more. So good. Yummy. Want to play with my fire truck? Wow, really? Thank you. Let's share and play together. Yes, let's go. Yay, this is fun. So fun. Hey, why are you sad? I feel lonely. Let's play together. Can I have the ball? Okay. Yay, see? Sharing is fun. Yeah, thank you. Let's build together. Okay, can I have the teddy? Sure, here you go. Thanks, your turn. Yay! Let's make a big tower. Yeah! High five! Yeah! We did it! Let's jump! Hooray! Let's put the toys away. Okay, teamwork. You do the blocks. Great idea. Here we go. It's looking so good. We're a great team. Please and thank you are the magic words. Please is nice to say. Thank you makes my day. Please and thank you every day. Polite and kind. That's the way.
I love these hugs so much.
Me too. You make us so happy.
Best family ever. Love you, Mommy. Love you, Daddy. Hi, neighbors. Hello. How are you?
Hello, children. We're doing well, thank you. It's so nice to see you both.
You too.
Bye. What a fun story.
Yeah, so fun. Look, my crayon is wiggling.
Let's all pick a crayon and wiggle it.
Mine's wiggling too. This is so fun. Let's dance and spin around. Good habits all day long. Wash your hands and brush your teeth. Share your toys and sing this song. We did it! Goodbye, friends. Wave to the sun. The rainbow is shining. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Please subscribe, like, and share to Lkg Nursery Rhyme.